Shubor naga Snem jong nongsan Hima.
Ke Jylla Meghalaya mentakasngi ke arpuway terik ubenai kelaling kot arajar arpulai. Kalayo ban rakhi ke Jingdap san puway Snem ke Jylla. Ha ke program ke bala penlong ha usus utam auditorium Shillong. Ha ke balawan banyadon lang do ulat ke Jylla u Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra u balalong kum kongsan. Haringkat uba DP Waklang Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jylla u balalong kum sembut kongsan. Haba keren negeri kasngi na kalyang jong kongsan ula ai kublai ki pat ba ke Jylla bat ongru bakani kalong kasngi ka bakamen ye ke Jylla. Haba kertiang din ye ke Jingïoh denti ka basan puway Snem ha gani kasngi na kalyang jong ulat ke Jylla ula ong ba ke menteri rang ba do barim jong keri India ke Indira Gandhi bamkwai hadwar ublai kala batai syapang ke khana halor ke Jingïoh ke Meghalaya ye ke Jylla ba Pura ke Jingyalang ke balalong hamadan polo Shillong. Ulong susu bakani ka pendap je ke jing angnot bat jing terang jong ki jat benreu khasi jantia bat garu. Susu hagani kasni ne kalyang jong ulat ulong bahaki san puway Snem balalej ke Jylla kala nangkeu ha ka rep karyang ka kam jengok kai perthai ke boarding ke puli puthi bat kiwei ke penbor ye ke Sarkar Jylla ban pendon kam hok ye ki jingmi ki ban ka mariang bat kumju ru ban penthma ye ki bor penyat khenang manla ban penlong ye ke Jylla Meghalaya kum ke nuksa na ka benta kiwei ha ka liang ka roi ka par. Hagani kasni ne kalyang jong kongsan ula shimru ye ka benta ban ai kublai ya ki bala yo ye ka khusnam Meghalaya Day Excellence Awardees na ka benta ki la jing shakri bakila ai shikipat ba. Hagani kasni ne kalyang jong ulat ke Jylla ula pun ku Burom ru ya ki pulit ya ka bala tip kum ke Governor Police Medals na ka benta ke jing shakri bat ki balong ki nongjob ye ka khusnam ha usnem arajar arpulai ki bakin thop ya u Additional Superintendent of Police u Shri Shabir Sayed Dekhar MPS Deputy Superintendent of Police Shri Vincent Neng Minza Sangma MPS UBSI Shri Yailam Lang Yong-i Jerwa UBSI Shri Sean Stanford Liwaj WPSI Shrimati Renu D. Momin Havaldar Shri Mewan Roy Pakma Havaldar Amplias Sena Battalion Khendah Nyosan Shri Alphonse Lingdo but Fireman Shri Pierson R. Marak.
Followed by Shri Danny Shabo, Research Officer Planning Department, is Shrimati Sabina A. Sangma, District Public Relations Officer, Office of the District Public followed by Shri Lipson S. Sangma, Assistant Superintendent, Personnel and Administrative. The next awardee is Shrimati Lucretia Lengwa, Assistant Superintendent, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary. Followed by Shri Barclay D. Shira, UDA Animal Husbandry. Our next awardee is Kumari Veronica Karbudan, Assistant Superintendent. Followed by Shrimati Yadalin W. Kakante, Head Assistant, Office of the Executive Engineering WR, Dianghun Nong Road, UDA Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Followed by Shri Jasmine Mohan Var. Our next awardee is Shri Kip Borlang Milimya, Havaldar Office of the Our next awardee is Shri Hestin Mara, Lab Assistant, Conservation. Shrimati Sumitra Prabha, Beyond Personnel A&R Department, Director, Intensive Cattle Development Project, Upper Shillong.
51st anniversary of our statehood day. Distinguished guests, dignitaries, invitees, officers, students, friends from media, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, it is indeed a matter of pride and pleasure for all of us to celebrate the 51st anniversary of statehood of Meghalaya, our state. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on this joyous occasion. 51 years ago, on 21st January in 1972, the late Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, presided over the historic function of the creation of the full-fledged state of Meghalaya at Polo Ground, Shillong. This fulfilled the long-cherished political aspirations of our people of the Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo Hills. Meghalaya statehood movement was a genuine and hard-pursued people's movement. In spite of numerous challenges, the united efforts of our visionary leaders and the aspirations of our people for the recognition of our traditions and values secured for us this beautiful state of our own. Today, we with gratitude remember the sacrifices of our forebears in their noble pursuit to preserve our sacred heritage, our land, our culture, our tradition, our language, our history, our rights, and our self-rule. Like the rest of the country, agriculture and its allied activities are the backbone of the economy of our state. We are committed to develop it. Accordingly, innovations in the field of agriculture have firmly put Meghalaya on the agricultural map of the country. Initiatives have been taken in propagating low volume, high value crops, which have brought about positive changes in the lives of farmers of our state. Recognizing this potential, we are working with different agencies to chart out a comprehensive roadmap for strategic intervention for location-specific agricultural growth. We are striving towards holistic development of infrastructural facilities, marketing linkages, post-harvest management, and value addition. As a step in this direction, farmer markets, new horti hubs, and cold storage chains are being established. Building up on our tradition of organic farming, we have actively created awareness come promotional campaigns for our consumers. We are encouraging our farmers to adopt organic farming and patronize crops for certification purposes. In Northeast India, Meghalaya has the largest hydroelectricity potential. It is second only to Arunachal Pradesh. Meghalaya has a potential of about 3,000 megawatt of hydropower. Although the state has sufficient power, however, rapid industrialization and improved standards of living of ours would, in coming days, see electricity consumption rise substantially. To meet the power shortfall, some hydro projects have been identified for completion. We are in the process of allotting hydro and thermal power projects to NEPCO and other independent power producers.